Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Walkstars and I'm back with another behind the scenes / kind of how-to video. And today I'm going to teach you how to make custom webcam shapes for your stream or for your recording or for whatever you want to use it for. Now, when I discovered this method, it was way easier than I thought it was going to be. So that's why this video is not going to be nearly as long. So it's so much simpler than you think it's going to be. And you don't have to go out paying for custom webcam shapes. You can make them yourself with just a little bit of ingenuity and a little bit of patience. So check this out. So here we are in my OBS settings. It's pretty simple. Here's my screen, the screen that we're going to be working on today. First things first, you're going to open up a previous video and you're going to take a print screen of your camera. This is going to give you the dimensions that you need for your camera. It'll show you exactly the size you need for your camera shape. And once you've taken that screenshot, you're going to open it up here in your photo editor. You're going to take it and you're going to basically create a brand new image of just that thing. Here, this is going to show me my camera shape. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer on top of it. I'm going to make it so I don't see this other layer. And now I have a blank canvas. That's the perfect shape for my camera. You're going to then check the fill bucket and black and cover it in black. You need this for your background. And then you're going to take your brush and you can make any shape you want in white. Personally, since I do a lot of my thumbnails with the background of a pencil scratch, I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I just kind of go, make the shape that I want to. And of course I'm going to have to fill it all in. And once you're happy with the shape that you've made, or the frame that you've made, keep in mind this white part is going to be where your camera is going to go, and the black is going to be your frame. So you just export it as a PNG. We're going to call it scratch frame. We're going to replace the one I've already made as a test. And now this is where the magic comes in. So, I'm in OBS. Okay, I'm going to right click. I'm going to add a filter to my camera. Add a filter. We're going to add image mask blend. Doesn't matter what it's called. And now we're going to browse and find that frame we just made. And just like that, you've got yourself a customized webcam frame. Now that customized webcam frame can be, well, anything you want it to be. I've made a couple of other ones. I made a circle. Now I've got a circle frame. If you were on my stream last night, you would have seen the circle frame. You could do you do a star. You could do an oval. Any shape you can think of and draw in your photo editing program, you can make into a customized webcam frame. And it just might be that one thing that helps you stand out from all the rest when people are scrolling through Twitch and looking for somebody to watch. And since I've just made it, I'm going to go back to my new scratch frame. So you can plainly see now why this video wasn't going to be nearly as long as some of my other behind the scenes tutorial videos, and that's because doing a custom webcam frame is really simple. My name is Walkstars, thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy the show, leave a like, and don't forget that I stream every Tuesday at 5 PM Pacific Standard Time over on Twitch. The link is in the description. Let me know in the comments how this worked for you, and if you were able to get a custom webcam frame going for your stream, and I'd love to come check them out. Drop those links in the description, and hopefully I'll come over and say hi. Thanks again, drink some water, and have a great day.